Are you an HVAC contractor and installer? Specializing in ducting or insulation work? Or MS piping and copper piping work? Or chiller and AHU installation work? Or VRF/VRV installation work? And now, looking to grow your business? Work for the Smart HVAC, which is India's leading HVAC company. The Smart HVAC provides you with large HVAC projects. Register now. How to register? Step 1. Search for the term the Smart HVAC in Google. Make sure that there are no spaces in the term the Smart HVAC. If search results appear like this, then click on Search instead for the Smart HVAC. Step 2. Click and go to the company website. Tap on the main menu bar and click on Installers. Step 3. Fill in the form accurately. Hurry, register now. Work with the Smart HVAC to grow your business.